Beautiful. Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Nick. We're here at Kalkstein Chiropractic, your Baltimore area chiropractor. We're here today with Olivia. Olivia's been having some shoulder discomfort. She's very active. Olivia, what sports are you currently doing?
I do swimming and field hockey.
So currently you're in the swim season more so?
Yes.
Okay, so she's been swimming. How many times a week do you practice?
5 days a week.
5 days a week, that's a lot for a young kiddo. So a lot of repetitive overhead sort of motion. She's developed some irritation around her rotator cuff muscles on the left there. So for Olivia, we've been focusing a lot on some good pain relief, which she just finished up with. So now we're going to work on strengthening. But the big portion of her work and care here is what we do in the room. So Olivia, I'm going to have you sit facing this blue wall.
Okay.
Gray wall. So I've been working a little bit with the soft tissues around it. Do a little ART, kind of help soften up the musculature of that shoulder joint before I adjust. Now, Olivia, when you first came in, what would you have given that pain out of 10? What was it?
An 8.
An 8 out of 10 pain. So go ahead and start ear to this way. Good. Bring it straight across. And I've seen you how many times since then?
I think
Maybe 5?
5, yeah.
5 or 6 times. We were able to get that 8 out of 10 pain to about a 1 out of 10. Of course, she still gets a little discomfort with activity, which is why we're going to start to work on proper biomechanics of the shoulder joint now. So here after this, we're going to take her out to the exercise floor, and our rehab specialists are going to work with her and how to properly move her arm to a range of motion with weight. You okay with that pressure? Okay. So right now I'm just doing a little soft tissue work on the upper trap portion. She holds a lot of tension here on the left. The body naturally wants to kind of guard painful joints by getting really tight. So we're just kind of help loosen those muscles up, get them to relax a bit. Good. And then for this one, remember the arm up and then bring it straight across your body. Now we're looking at the supraspinatus muscle here. Good. Back. Go ahead. Did you guys have any tournaments over the weekend? None? Just practice? When's the next big event?
2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks.
Is it local?
It's in Virginia.
That's a haul.
I know.
Why Virginia?
We go where they tell us.
Alright, Olivia, I'm going to have you slide those glasses off and then
Okay.
lay it on your stomach for me. Scooch up all the way for me. Perfect. I'm going to guide your hands right there. There you go. So with her and the kind of the nature of the injury going on, she holds a lot of tension in the upper thoracic area. And that alone can be causation of kind of a cycle of pain with the shoulders. If you don't get proper extension through your mid-back, your shoulders kind of overcompensate, and that leads to injury in the future. So a little pressure here, okay? Good. Take another breath in. And all the way out. Good. Beautiful. You okay with that pressure?
Yeah.
Alright. And then scooch down just a bit. Right there's perfect. So, pressure right through here. Let me roll your head this way. Good. Now relax that side of your body. Perfect. Little push here. Good. Same thing on this side. Let that head roll. Good. Relax that right shoulder. There you go. Beautiful. You're coming up. All right, Olivia, you go ahead and step off.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. So, next up for her, we're gonna take her out to the floor, get her moving a little bit. You cool with that? Awesome. Guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I look forward to answering them. Again, I'll see you next time.